Good morning children. Today start the class for 4th standard subject maths. This one given for revision. Next week for coming for the class test. Everyone got the timetable children? The timetable given for your exam Tuesday. So I ready to give for only options. Give the questions. Choose the correct answer. Easy to find out the option and find whether which one is the correct answer. Then you get the full mark. You try to learn this topic. Only bridge course is given for in your class test. Okay, only class test having for 10 marks. Easy to learn children. All the topic is covered here. I give for only some sums is given to you examples. So first one sum, find the shape's name. Here given the shape. What is the shape this? Yes, cylinder. Next one is cone. So this, what kind of shape this? Yes, 2D shapes or 3D shapes. This is for 3D shapes. So the shapes name for cylinder and cone. This is for 3D shape. This is for called 3D shapes. The next one, how many diagonals of a square and a rectangle? Already you learned the shapes square and rectangle, but here how many diagonals? 1, 2. 1, 2. So rectangle and square is have for only 2 diagonals. The next one, 803. Write the number name. Write the number name. 800. 8 spelling everyone learn. Easy to say now. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. And 3. Use the comma. Then T-H-R-E-E. 3. 803. The next one. Fourth one sum. Write the expanded form. Here given the number is 690. So how to read? 690. So how many hundreds? 6 hundreds. How many tens? 9 tens. 90. How many ones? 0. So this is called for expanded form. The next one, 70 plus 10 plus 1. Write the short form. How to write? How many hundreds? 7. How many tens? 1. How many ones? 1. So 711. This is for short form. So here leave the zeros, but expanded form you added the zeros. So this is the difference for expanded and short form. Easy to find out that children. The next one. Here given for bananas. What is the measurement unit? You used to measure the bananas. What is the unit to use? Banana is for used for weight. So weight measurement. What kind of measurement used? Weight. W-E-I-G-H-T. Weight kind of measurement used to weight. So weight is used the measurement for kilograms or grams. Used the measurement is kilograms or grams. Banana used to weight the measure. The thing is used for kilograms or grams. Then next one. Here take for fruits. Orange and apple. What is the total cost of a fruit? Is 5 rupee and 10 rupee. You add and get for total. So that's why here given for 5 rupee and 10 rupee. So used for 5 plus 10, 15 rupee. So 15 rupees is the final total cost. The next one. 789. Write the next number. 789 after 90. The next one, 800, 802. In between number is 801. Next one, find the product now. 5 multiply 8. 5 8s are, those who know the 5 table or 8 table, easy to find out the answer, children. 5 table you know, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are, till stop 8s are 40. Then next one, 2 10s are, you know the table 10 table, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. Use that number, any one table, 5 table or 8 table, 2 table or 10 table. Either are same the answer for product. Okay children. Then next one, the subtraction symbol is used for minus. Next one, the multiplication answer is called for product. P-R-O-D-U-C-T, product. The multiplication answer is called for product. Okay children, last one. Here I show for clock. Short end for 2, long end for 6. The clock shows the time is, what is the time now? 2 o'clock. After the minutes hand is moving for this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vary move pannirkom. That's why you write for 6 5s are you used for minutes. How to find out? 5 skip counting. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So easy to find out the time. 2 o'clock, hours easy to find. Then find out the minutes for 30 minutes. The money symbol is used for, already you know this very well. All the rupees note and coins is used the symbol for all. Okay children, thank you. You try to learn all the sums, practice yourself and get for full mark in your class test children. Thank you.